Next we'll cover operators. Operators operate on operands to yield a single result of like or unlike type from that of the operands themselves. They can operate on one operand, i.e. a unary operator, two operands, binary operators. The operands must follow specific rules for a given operator. There are 5 classes of operators: numerical operators, logical operators, relational operators, shift operators, and the concatenation operator. Here's a table of the numeric operators, the standard set, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on and so forth. Majority of these are binary operators in that they have 2 operands. We also have unary operators such as identity, negation, and absolute. The table here shows an example of the operator, A, for instance, A plus B. The left operand can be any numeric type. The right operand must be the same type, and the result is the same type as well. Wanted to also point out that the multiplication operator, you can have an integer multiply, or a floating multiplied by the same type, or any physical type multiplied by an integer or real, or any integer or real multiplied by any physical type. Next we have the logical operators. The standard set: not, and, or, NAND, nor, exclusive or, and exclusive nor. Logical operands and results must be of the same type and must be of type Boolean, bit, or one-dimensional array of Boolean or bit. We also have relational operators, which are all binary operators because we're relating one operand to another. We can check to see if 2 things are equal, not equal, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. And they all have the same result type in that they are all Boolean. Shift operators are used to perform arithmetic or logical shifts on arrays or vectors. We're also able to rotate left and rotate right. The left operand type is a one-dimensional array of type bit or Boolean. The right operand is an integer, and the result data type is the same as the left operand. And lastly, the concatenation operator, which is an ampersand. The concatenation operator is used to create an array or vector. We can add, or we can concatenate 2 data items into an array type, or 2 arrays, or adding an array to a data type. The result is an array as well. But they all have to be, when you add elements to an array, they have to be of like type as the base element of the array. When an expression is evaluated containing different operators and operands, there must be a predefined order of evaluation. The expressions are evaluated from left to right with operators of like precedence. In the table here, we can see that there's an increasing order of precedence from the top to the bottom. The lowest would be the logical operators, next to relational, next to shift, and so on and so forth.